welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Crystal and today is going to be a super fun video because after like almost a month and a half of not posting, I am officially back and we need to do something with all of this. If you don't know why I've been gone, we were moving into a new home, so that's really exciting. I'm gonna do like a little walkthrough tour later on in the video, so if you're interested in seeing the new place, then make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video for that. But I've been wanting to post so many times over this last week, but as you can see, I've kind of let myself go just a little bit. So in today's vlog slash video, we're going to be doing a couple things. One, I'm going to hop in the shower and do like a really strong mask on this hair. We moved into a home that has central air and I feel like it's really drying out my hair and my skin. So I'm definitely gonna have to make some changes in that routine a little bit. So we're going to do that. I have naturally like curly wavy hair, but like this is ridiculous. So next, you may have noticed the size of my eyebrows. They are fully grown in. Let me get as close as I can. And I was debating whether I wanted to get them done or not because I kind of actually am digging the natural brow a little bit. But it's a bit much. This eyebrow, like even fully natural, never wants to cooperate. It's like my bad one, so maybe I'll talk to you guys this way. But we're getting our eyebrows waxed. I'm really excited for that. Hopefully the mask and some hair oil will help tame this mane. And then, well, I'm gonna give you like a little tour of my room. I have an entire beauty room now. Well, it's not done, but the furniture is put together and I definitely need to start going through bins and organizing my makeup. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you like seeing a hot mess turn into hopefully something beautiful and well organized, then keep on watching. Okay, so the products that I'm going to be using in the shower today, these are actually samples that I got from Sephora, but I'm really interested in seeing how well they work. This is from, is it Kerastase? I think it's Kerastase Paris. This is from their Resistance line, and I'm using the Bane Force Architect. It's this repairing shampoo for brittle, damaged hair, and split ends. Packaging looks like this, and then it also came with the mask, the conditioning mask that goes with it, and this is supposed to do the same thing. It's a strengthening mask for brittle, damaged hair, and split ends. So we'll see how well it works. Okay, so I am already feeling so much better, but now we're gonna head to Ulta and deal with these freaking caterpillars. So say goodbye. They are about to be shaped, tamed, and hopefully look a lot better in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm back. Tell me what you think. I know I'm quite red. It's okay, it will go away. I am feeling like a whole new lady. I think the Briogeo, actually my hair feels so soft after that Kerastase, I don't know how to say it. Tell me how to say it in the comments. After that mask, my hair is feeling much less frizzy, really moisturized. I'm really digging it. And I'm really happy with the way that my brows turned out. I want to talk about this palette right quick. This is from Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics. You guys know on this channel that I love this brand. This palette came out in the fall. Actually, this is the Gnome Chrome Halloween eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. It's so freaking cute. The inside looks like this. We have a mirror. And we have 12 shifty duochrome and multi-chrome shades. And this palette was kind of a sneaker hit. I think it became really popular once it was already sold out. And many of you have been asking me about the restock, and I wanted to let you know really quick in this video, this is restocking tomorrow. If you're watching this tonight, hopefully, or in the morning, you'll catch it. This restock Saturday, March 5th, 3 p.m. Eastern time, 12 p.m. Pacific time. And if you're not sure about your time zone, you can Google it just really quick. This will be $43.95. You can use code Crystalline to save yourself 10%. on this and anything else on Sugar Drizzle's website. But hopefully whoever wanted it get their hands on it. I am going to insert some swatches here that I took earlier. I have swatches in natural light, just like regular artificial light, and then also in like a low light situation. So you can see all the colors. It's so pretty. So hopefully everyone that has been waiting and wants it can get their hands on it. Okay, so this is just gonna be a really quick tour because everything is not done. But when you walk in, we have our dining room. Of course, we had to make a spot for the cats to look out the window because they don't have their catio anymore. Hi, Icy. Here comes Ghosty. Say hi, boys. Say hi to Mama's vlog. So that's that. Then that goes into my like kitchen space. You can see who rules the house. Then we have the cat tree. Cat tree. Oh, I have a pantry, which is really awesome. In our old house, like we didn't have a place to keep everything. So this house has like more than enough storage, which is really nice. And I really like how the kitchen's open to both sides. So you can have people talking to you, or you can like turn the TV and watch TV. Cats have this great window to look out of. And then I got a treadmill. We'll talk about that in another vlog because I am working on getting healthy. And I can sit and watch YouTube while I walk on the treadmill. So, and then that goes out to our back patio and everything. And then here I have another storage closet. I can fit so much stuff in there. And then we go down the hall and we have one bathroom there. That is my daughter's room. She does not want to be in my vlog. This is what's going to be my YouTube room. This is kind of where we're at here. Sorry for the crappy lighting, but everything is still packed up in boxes for the most part. These are my old drawers, part of my old vanity. And then I did get a new 9 drawer here. And I have some containers that fit in the drawers coming from Amazon. So really excited about that. Let me see if I can fix the lighting at all. During the daytime, like it's starting to be evening now, but during the daytime, the natural light in here is like sickening. So I have all my lights here. I actually have another panel light in the closet that I still need to set up. There's a desk that I think I'm going to put in front of this area and use this as my background. I have a really cool fiber optic light over here. Definitely a work in progress because there's nothing in like these drawers or anything yet. But yeah, I'm really excited to have an entire space, really fortunate to have an entire space to set up and dedicate to my beauty space. I did get the new watermelon niacinamide sunscreen. I love it. It's very glowy but not greasy, but it just doesn't smell like watermelon like I thought it was going to, but it's still good. And then I got, you guys, have you heard of this? It's like the Leia blender. It took like almost 3 weeks to get here, but I'm really excited because Teresa's dad said it was amazing, and so did Wayne Goss and everyone else I've heard talk about it. So anyways, that is the beauty room. And then we have my bedroom. I need to get a new bed set, but to be honest, like the cats sleep up there and stuff and they just kind of wreck it. I do have like an entire walk-in closet, which is pretty awesome. Trying to keep it kind of simple. There I am watching YouTube. We got Leah and Allie, two of my favorite YouTubers together. So exciting. There's Ghosty. We got cat toys everywhere. And then of course, we have the master bath. Okay, so that was the house tour. It's kind of like we're still setting up. We've only been here now for like a week and a half. So when it's like completely finished and our new couch comes in, I'll definitely be giving you guys another tour. I hope you enjoyed kind of my getting back into the swing of things, like taking care of my eyebrows and doing my hair and getting ready to be in front of the camera again. I would love to know, how much do you guys want to be a part of setting up that beauty room? Because if you guys are wanting it, then I will set up the camera while I go through and organize my makeup, while I put it in, you know, like separate it by category, like all the stuff that needs to be done in there. If you guys want to see all that and be a part of that, just let me know in the comments, because we can definitely do that. I'm hoping by getting this video up, like that anxiety of not posting is so real and it just builds up and builds up. So I just like need to post a video and get it out of the way. I know this is a little rough because I'm out of practice, but yeah, I'm really excited for what the future holds on my channel. I have lots of great ideas. I do want to incorporate more vlog style content and not just simply product reviews. I'd love for you guys to get to know me a little better. I'd like to get to know you guys a little better, and yeah. Don't forget, if you are interested in that Gnome Chrome palette, I know a lot of you are because you commented on my videos before, that will be launching Saturday the 5th, 3 p.m. Eastern. That's 12 p.m. Pacific time. You can save 10% with my code Crystal Lynn. I think Annette's Makeup Corner has a code. I'm trying to think who else has a code. Anyways, use somebody's code, and yeah, it was so nice to be back in front of the camera again, and I missed you guys so much, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Sooner than later, I promise. The cats are fighting. Okay,